Hello dear learners, I welcome you all to the today's video lecture of tranquilizers, which are CNS depressants. We are going to talk about the repeatedly asked questions on tranquilizers in board examination. As that of CNS stimulant, that is analeptic, it is also really a very small chapter and there are very few questions, and that too very repeatedly asked questions on this chapter. And what are they? We are going to see now. As till now, as you all know, we have seen the disease related chapters, and one chapter we have seen, that is CNS stimulant. So now here onwards we are going to talk about the CNS depressants. CNS depressants includes the categories such as tranquilizers, sedatives, hypnotics, etc. So we are going to talk today about the tranquilizer questions. So as you all know, in our earlier chapters we have seen the very first part was like define malaria or anti-malarial drug. That means the chapter's name was there in the first part. So here also the same thing, they are telling you to explain the term tranquilizers, that is for 2 marks. Now in this, as we have discussed in the video, you are supposed to write down the definition of tranquilizer along with the example of tranquilizers, and you are supposed to classify the tranquilizers. Classify in the sense you are supposed to write down the types of tranquilizers, that are major tranquilizers and minor tranquilizers, and then you are supposed to write down the difference between them. So these will comprise the answer for explain the term tranquilizers. Next question says, what are tranquilizers? Give the mechanism of action of tranquilizers. So now as you all know, there are 2 categories of tranquilizers, major tranquilizers and minor tranquilizers. So benzodiazepines belongs to minor tranquilizers and butyrofenones, phenothiazines belongs to major tranquilizers. So here mechanism of action of tranquilizers, if you will explain, then prefer benzodiazepine, that is diazepam mechanism of action. And what are tranquilizers? Again the definition along with the examples you are supposed to write down with the common uses. So this comprise of 3 marks. Then next question says, write the name of the drug belonging to the tranquilizer category. This question is for 1 mark. You are supposed to just quote the names of the drugs which are tranquilizers. For example, chlorpromazine hydrochloride, which belongs to the class phenothiazine. Then haloperidol. Haloperidol belongs to the class butyrofenone. So phenothiazine and butyrofenone are major tranquilizers. Then benzodiazepine class, the drug is diazepam. So this way you are supposed to quote the name of the any one tranquilizer. Then next question, write the structure, chemical name, properties and uses of chlorpromazine hydrochloride. So again here you can mark that besides the general questions on the tranquilizers, one important drug we have found, that is chlorpromazine hydrochloride. So they have asked everything, structure, then its IUPAC, then the properties and uses. That means complete drug chlorpromazine you are supposed to do, which is for 3 marks. Then coming towards the next question, explain the difference between major and minor tranquilizer. So you are supposed to explain the difference between both of them, that in which conditions major tranquilizers are used, what are the conditions where minor tranquilizers are used. They are known by some other names also, their examples you can write down. So this way you are supposed to give the difference between the two and discuss the uses and draw the structure of any one of them. Uses discuss करने हैं दोनों के भी, major tranquilizers and minor tranquilizers के, and you are supposed to draw the structure of any one of them. That means any one tranquilizer you are supposed to draw the structure. So this question comprise of 4 marks. Moving towards the next question, again here as you can see they have given the IUPAC names, and from the IUPAC names you are supposed to write down the names of the drug along with the structure. Then here as you can see in the first IUPAC you can find this root name, that is 1,4-benzodiazepine 2-one. So from the earlier videos on benzodiazepine, it is very much clear to you people now that this root name is of benzodiazepine class. And the example which we have seen is diazepam. Why? Because diazepam is having substitution at 7th position, which is a electron withdrawing group, that is chlorine. Then at first position it is having methyl, and at 5th position it is having phenyl ring. The next name if you will see, it is root name if you will see, it is butyrofenone, fluorobutyrofenone. So butyrofenone का नाम देखते ही you will understand that butyrofenone class, and the drug is haloperidol. So these two structures, that is diazepam and haloperidol, are really very important, which usually come in the exam. And next last question is, draw the structure and method of numbering of diazepam. Structure आपको draw करना है, and then numbering method diazepam का लिखना है. Now this question is again really a very important question which is usually asked, and it is mostly means usually asked, and it is the favorite question also of the examiners. So this is, as you can see, only 7 questions. So this is very sweet and short chapter as that of analeptics, that is CNS stimulants. So only one drug you are supposed to do it complete, chlorpromazine hydrochloride. Then the 2 structures, diazepam and this one haloperidol, and mechanism of action is important. Coming towards the summary of the questions, tranquilizers ka explanation is important. Then chlorpromazine complete drug they have asked, haloperidol and diazepam structures they have asked. Then they have asked the difference between the major and the minor tranquilizer, and mechanism of action of tranquilizers. So with this we finish with the repeatedly asked questions of tranquilizers. Thank you.